So, I know you see us on your Facebook feed, on your LinkedIn feed, and all over social media, but truly, what is the Dauber Stopper? That's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna take you to my workshop, what we do year round, which is go to shows, pitch this product, and tell people what the Dauber Stopper does, why they need it, and how it benefits them. At the very end, I'm even gonna give you a couple of outlets of where you can find the Dauber Stopper to purchase it yourself, whether that be at the wholesale pricing or at retail pricing just for yourself. So I'm gonna run you through the whole thing. My name is Tyler and I'm an HVAC technician. So one of the biggest problems with HVAC is water damage, one of the most costly repairs in the home. And that can happen for multiple reasons. Today we're gonna talk about clogged emergency drain lines. That's what we're gonna focus on in the water damage part. And what I wanna talk about is particularly your HVAC and water heater emergency drain lines. So on every home per code, you have a metal drain pan, all right? So a metal drain pan in your house, and that catches any overflow water that doesn't get out of your primary or secondary. If that line ever gets clogged up, which is the one that exits your house, that's gonna be a big problem because now the water can't get out, your system's not gonna be able to vent, correct? And you're gonna have to call your HVAC guy to get that unit back on. So what we do is, we actually partnered up with a couple of different pest control people and we identified the problem as dirt daubers and spiders clogging these lines up. I'm gonna show you an example of what it would look like. So here's a clear piece of PVC and this is your emergency drain line, all right? Now back in at about 18 to 12 inches, you're gonna have a clog from a dirt dauber because you're not utilizing this drain line for a majority of the year. Your primary and secondary works great and every HVAC guy will tell you that. Now, that's what you see in there. That right there is impenetrable by water. So once that happens, you're not gonna be able to get water out of that house, therefore it does backflow. What we do is we use the same concept you would on your house if you wanted to sit outside, enjoy the weather, but you don't want to have mosquitoes or bugs all over you, right? This is how we stop that. So instead of having these 90s, we go ahead and chop those 90s off. We mount this little 4-piece flange with our infamous Dauber Stopper right here around that new cutoff edge, and then we screw this screen in. And if you look closely, you're going to go ahead and zoom in on this screen. Look at the little holes in there. You see those tiny holes? Now those holes are 1/32 of an inch big. That's small enough to keep termites, fleas, and any other pests, particularly the dirt dauber, from getting in the line and clogging the line. Now, as long as we're preventing the pests from getting in there, what are we ensuring? That the line stays clear and free of debris. That way it can go ahead and drain properly like it's designed to. Now we talked about 2 features already. We talked about keeping the line clean and 2, keeping the pest out of there. Now the most important feature that the women in our lives tend to think is the aesthetic view. And I want to show you an example. We like to blow this up. Can you see this picture here? So this is a picture of a standard PVC house, all right? Now this is a washer and dryer from the upstairs and your 1-inch water heater. You can tell that clearly a contractor cut that, or a laborer, someone cut this with the wrong hole size. Now, 7 years later, that PVC started to corrode, it's starting to break away, and we've exposed this home to the outside climate. That's an exclusion point for rodents, water, termites. Essentially, you're taking the life away from this house. So by not protecting that and sealing it up with our wonderful flange and then the Dauber Stopper screwed into it, you're leaving this home exposed. Now I want to show you what it would look like if you put 2 Dauber Stoppers on it. And that is the exact same photo. If you look here, that is the exact same photo. All we did was cut the 90s off. We put in our flange here and screwed our filter in. Now you can get under there and weed eat. You can do what you got to do. You know the drain line's going to stay clear. No pests can get in there. And it looks a lot better, which may simply be the best reason to buy this product. Now I told you at the beginning, we talked about the product, what its features do. Now let's talk about where you can get this product. So obviously you can reach out to us. We sell them online and on Amazon for $21.99. You can go to our website at www.modernacproducts.com or www.thedauberstopper.com. Also, we are available on Amazon, so if you have a Prime account, go ahead and take advantage of that free shipping. Now, when you're looking at wholesalers, contractors, I'm particularly talking to you. You guys feel free to contact me directly, all right? Contact me directly for bulk pricing so we can get you a better deal so you can go out and start putting these on your customers' homes. Start looking out for your customers, giving that added value that we preach every single day, all right? And that number is going to be 936-230-4594. That is my direct cell phone number. I answer that phone up until 10 o'clock every night. Please feel free to log on to our website or go ahead and we're going to show you our YouTube link where you can catch a lot more videos, all right? And there it is. All right, thanks guys. Hopefully I explained this to why you keep seeing this all over social media, what it does and why you need it. Please reach out to me if you have any more questions. Once again, my name is Tyler and I'm here with Modern AC Products and the Dauber Stopper.